In SMC, you are already able to define some security rules which will be applied to several firewalls thanks to the folder mechanism. We can see in this folder, for example, that the 4 rules will be used by all the firewalls included in this folder. However, sometimes I want to apply some rules to several firewalls which are not in the same folder hierarchy. For example, I have 100 of sites which are organized in SMC by type, like factory, offices or shops, for example, but all located geographically in different regions. In some location, I want to set up a printer system A, in another one a printer system B, and each printer system needs its own security rules. For this use case, I have to define the printer system rules independently for each firewall. SMC 3.0 improves the user experience thanks to the rule sets. From our previous example, 2 rule sets have been created, one for each printer system, and each rule set has its own security rules and can be applied to any firewall, whatever the folder hierarchy is. So no need to copy-paste the rules, nor to recreate them one by one on each firewall. It is also really easy to duplicate a rule set which is quite similar to another one and to apply it from the firewall policy panel. Also, if a rule set needs one or more rule modifications, I only have to modify the rule sets once, and it will be pushed automatically to every firewall using this rule set. So basically, with the rule sets, I save some time and I avoid to do some mistakes.